just sit here playing Uno online. She's addicted. She's addicted.
I am not addicted. I can hear you talking right here.
Look, you guys, just look.
Really? Really, brother? Let's see. They gonna check me again. Oh! Ah! Man, what are you doing? Play it, play it, play it. I don't know what this one do. Oh. Oh, what you gonna do? Oh, you got draw full? No. Oh, this game be doing us dirty. Back to you. Oh, that's what you get. You should have took them 4. What? Stop that. The thing was off speed. Killing me. They really killing me.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
All right, you guys, I'm back again. And no, James is not in the kitchen today. Check me out. I got on my grill apron. I'm about to get it in on the grill. That's right. James is back on the grill. Crystal hooked everything up yesterday. She prepared a nice meal. She fixed everything. All the meat is seasoned and everything is ready to go. And now I'm getting ready to do my thug thizzle on the grill. And I'm going to show y'all how I do it. Southern style, baby, on the grill. All right, you guys, I'm about to get everything set up here, over here. And we have to put bungee cords in this grill so the wind don't blow it away. It's actually kind of windy out here today, too. So we put the bungee cords in it to keep it from flying away. And then next thing I'm going to do is turn the tank on. Got the tank on. Oh, man. Now, it's windy, though. I don't know how this is going to work.
Really, nigga? Oh, hell no!
There we go. There we go. We got that baby rocking. We got that baby rocking now. Yeah, we fired up. Fired up on all angles right there. Yes, sir. Out here cutting the grass. Guys, the guy, man, he's cutting grass. I couldn't hear nothing out here. But I'm outside, y'all. Look at this beautiful day. Beautiful day out here today. I'm about to get it in on the grill. As you can see right here, I got that, my poker. I use that to pick it up, and then I got my spatula right here. Oh yeah, I got this pan. I use this to, cause this little grill, we just got a little little grill. I use this to catch the grease in the back. And also, you guys, you don't know, you got our grill right there. But I use these mats, and I actually cook on these. You can see, I got my mat down, waiting for it to get hot. I don't think it's all the way hot yet, so I'm waiting on that. And then we'll be ready to go. Get out here more. Look at him. Look at him over there. Look at him. Making all that noise. I'm trying to do a video. Making all that noise. Pump.
1 minute, 37 seconds later.
Hey, what's up, Crystal? How you doing today?
I don't feel good today.
You don't feel good? Hey, look, I want to say on camera that I thank you for fixing all the food yesterday. I appreciate all you do because as you see, guys, this is just some of the food right here. She hooked it up. She got a shish kebabs and we got corn. So we just going to start with these. And then after that, we'll move on to the steak and the other meat and we'll show you. So, but I want to thank Crystal for hooking it up. She said she's not feeling good today. She's not feeling real good today. But once she see this food coming off this grill, how Chef James do it, you guys know how Chef James do it. Oh, got some string beans. You guys know how Chef James do it. And I'm going to show y'all how to get down on the grill because the Southern boy know how to get Southern style. Pork and beans on deck. We ready to get it, y'all. Let's go. Check it out, all right? I got the corn on. I got the shish kebabs on. And we're going to start it off just like that. Chef James, baby. Hey, Chris, what I'm talking about. Let's start this thing off. Turn this fire down a little. Comment and let me know if y'all know how to fix a Keurig. Our Keurig is going haywire. Crystal trying to fix it, but I don't think we can get it. This Crystal, man. I mean, this Keurig, man. Oh, man, it's time for us to get a new one. We appreciate. We actually got this as a gift, and we've been dogging this thing and, man, using this thing out. But I think it's seen its last day. So you guys comment below and let us know what type of Keurig should we get. You got it? Did you get it, man? You fixed it?
There you go.
Yeah, it's time. Oh, yeah, it's time. Oh, yeah, we're going to see, but it's definitely
see
time.
how it moves good. See that?
Oh, yeah. But look, we got another problem with it, too, because it doesn't, like, close. So I got to literally go in here and push this down just to close it because it doesn't close automatically like it used to. So either way, we still need a new Keurig. So make sure you guys comment down below, and let us know what model of Keurig should we get. I want one that's like digital. You want one that's got the same type of water capacity there with like big like that?
Yeah.
All right, yeah. Comment below, you guys. Let us know what type of Keurig should we get, and we'll go get it. And then what we do, we'll do a product review on it. Because you know I drink coffee. You know, Chris is the one to really drink all the coffee though.
No, I'm lying.
What you mean?
Man, you been telling some God truths on
What
here.
you mean, man? You drink like 5 times more coffee than I do.
While moving back?
What you mean?
I want them lightning.
Ain't no be no lightning. What you
There's
mean?
gonna be a lot of lightning.
Look, you drinking a cup of coffee right now.
Who am I fixing this for?
Oh, man.
A few moments later.
Yeah, you guys, you hear it? You hear that thing cooking? Let's turn them over. Oh, yeah, turn them over a little bit. You got the tomato right there. Got the tomato. Let me get mine. There we go. There we go. Got that right there. Ooh, got the corn. Got the corn. Yeah, I'm using my finger because that's how I do, baby. When it get real hot, I start using. I got these tongs right here, but it's already got a stick on it. But this is just getting started. I might need some more heat on this thing. But we got it going, Chef James, baby. Ooh, damn! The more I cook this, I get hungry. Okay. Putting in this work, guys. These are almost done right here. Look, these are almost done. These are almost done. Yeah. We had to take one out as a sample. Get a little sample. These are almost done right here. I got some more to put on, so I'm gonna put some more on right here. Let me go in here. Let me grab these up. Grab these up right here. Close this up. I got 2 more. So I'm gonna take these. Put these on right here. Those are fresh ones. Put these on right here. So we got the fresh ones, got the corn right there. The corn on roll. Let them baby cook. These are almost done right here. Go take these out, give these about 5 more minutes, then we're gonna hook that up. You guys, we vlogging all day. Vlog life. We doing it up. I put the last 2 on, man. You know what I mean? I'm down here doing my thing out here. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Yeah,
I know what
boy.
you mean, Vern.
We got that vlog life going on. We got that barbecue life. Oh, Chef J, full of it. Did I show y'all? Wait a minute. Y'all didn't see. Hey, we'll give a shout out to Melcorn. Melcorn gave me this grilling apron right here. So you put this on. Anytime you grill, you want to make sure you got a grill apron. Check it out. Y'all see it? Got my little beanie on. The weather is kind of overcast today, so I want to make sure it wasn't gonna rain on me. But got my little bam, looking good. Next up, you guys, is the hamburgers. I told y'all Crystal hooked it up. Look at that. Everything in there. Green peppers, onion. What else you got here, Van? Well, no, you can't tell your secrets, though. Can't tell your secret. But look at these going on the grill next. Y'all get ready to see how we do the hamburgers. Bam! What these hamburgers doing here real quick. Oh, yeah. Got the last two shish kebabs on. Got, oh, man, if you guys, I wish they had smell-o-vision. Ooh, man, these things smelling good. All right, so that's cooking good. Gonna let these roll for about a little bit. Get it back. Coming together, the corn is nicely done. We're gonna close that up until we get ready to eat. Half of the hamburgers are already done too. So that's got it. So next thing, let's see what she got over here. She got the bean. Oh man, we gotta turn that down. Oh man, beans. I don't know what she got some water on for. And then the string beans. So all right, it's all coming together, you guys. All coming. Cooking this done, you guys. I'm about to enjoy this fabulous meal. Hope you guys having a great day. Let's get to eating now. You guys, we're about to sign off. Anything else you want to say before we go?
Yes, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to our channel.
And look, the links for our Instagram and Twitter are right below. See you guys on the next video. We out.